Ah, Divine Beast, Va Meadow. Hey guys, welcome back with Mark Jackson with some more Legend of Zelda. I am tired as flippin' hell and couldn't let this go, and it's 4 in the morning in Breath of the Wild. Yeah. I laid down to go to sleep, and I was like, man, I'm right on this Divine Beast, and I'm tossing and turning in bed. Well, you know. Kate's working the graveyard shift, so gotta do something. It's been a long time since... Is that gonna... yeah. Take away the taint. Thank you. It's been a long time since I've been laying in bed. Shit. Look, I'm 39 years old. Just if you guys didn't know. And it's been a long time since I've been laying in bed thinking about a video game. I mean, like... years and years. This one got me out of bed. Have to get back to it. Stat. So that's what we're going to do. Forgive me if my brain is not functional. And I still have this cold. So if my tongue isn't functional either, well, you guys can all just go to hell. Well, not you guys, just me. That looks fairly obvious. It seems like we're going to be doing a lot of saving in this one. Got some taint over there too, so it looks like it's kind of necessary. My thought process is we don't want to go too high. We want to kind of like that to get the taint. I mean, the chest is one thing, but yeah. Alright, Eye of Sauron. What's in the chest? What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, God. A glowing yellow testicle. Just what we needed. And we have ourselves a homeboy over there. That is probably going to require some tuning up. I want to keep the Master Sword. You know, let's poke him with a spear. Just because that sounds fun. Oh man, we got some stuff over there. And we got some sliding platforms here that look like it's going to be magnesis time. Hopefully the game doesn't crash. That makes, that means we're going to save the hell out of this thing. Yeah, you're... I don't know what you thought you were going to accomplish. We could have talked about life, reminisced and what have you. Oh well. Alright, so we got ourselves a map together, and I think this is going to be our first save. What's this going to show us, though? Curious. Well, of course we know that. How complicated is this Divine Beast going to be? I'll tell you what, Valruta wasn't too bad. The one in the desert, I can't remember its name. Whatever. The camel. Those rotating drums. That right there. Okay, Divine Beast controls. In the wings. Got it. Let's get ourselves a save.
You'll need to look closely at your map of the Divine Beast.
After these messages.
The terminals that will activate Meadow are marked by those glowing points.
Got it.
You'll need to activate all of the terminals to take back control. Think you're up to it?
Well, we've done it before. Let's do it again. First and foremost, let's consult our map here. And we're... yeah. Always put us in the anus. And that one up there, that brighter colored pink that's selected. I'm wondering about that. Huh. Anyway, let's get a save. Yes, sir. Alright. How do we go? Don't need you just now, maybe... Got some taint down there. Oh, we got... Get it? Ought to be the one. Nice. I'll take an ancient shaft in the A. Oh, what? Ah, hell, one of those things. Where is it? Trying to bust out the spear, I guess. Let's locate it. Yeah, please. I can't even destroy the damn thing. How about that? Like, just retard mode. Just puts a spear right over the top of what we want to destroy. Why won't you lock onto that? Is it dead? No, it's not. Okay. I'll admit, that makes me a little bit frustrated. That I can't stand here and kill this thing. That's not the right way to go about it? Alright, let's leave then. Fine. You win. Retarded game mechanic right there. You best not follow me out here either. Alright, this is... Oh. Oh. I think... Yeah. The slidey things in the other room kind of tipped me off. So, don't climb over and commit suicide. So... Matt, please. No. No. I don't want to bank it that way. I want to bank it this way. And then we slide to success on the gondola. Get ourselves an eyeball up there. Oh! You gotta be kidding me right now. We gotta do that again? That was a good shot, too, man. This isn't gonna do it, right? We're just gonna stand fast. Yeah, we're not moving. It's gonna take this. Come on. You gotta be kidding me right now. Let's just try and shoot it from here if we can. I don't want to have to do that all over. Thank you. Sure, that's far more easily accomplished by somebody that's done it before. Get me over there. Now that's clear. Not too complicated so far, just a little bit arduous. Right. Let's get it. Whatever it is, we're going to have to consult the map, too. Might have to switch back this, level out the bird using the map. I'm not quite sure yet, though. I don't want to get ahead of myself.
There are 4 terminals remaining. Still a ways to go.
Thank you, Social Justice Warrior Bird. Voice actor sounds like a dweeb. Oh! Another one. Get it in the mouth. Please, die. Oh, it's the eyeball right there. That's what I'm missing. Probably what I missed on the last one, too. Like a clown. Chomp on that. Take it. Was that a clue of what we might need to use? Freezing? Get a save together. Do. Excuse me. Alright, so we got a switch right here. We're, like, pretty much on top of it. What's this do? Oh! Why am I getting the feeling that we're going the wrong way here? What? We need that there in order to... Oh, stupid. Stupid Mark Jackson. Stay right there. Give me a better camera angle, please. Can't have you moving. Maybe I should stasis it? No, I need you to... Yes! Alright, well that's 2 down. Kinda... Whoa! That was unexpected. And chances are we're going to have to take the gondola back. I'm still nervous about rune effects.
There are 3 terminals remaining.
Yeah, 2 more in the wings. Got it, let's review. Yeah. Oh, 3 more in the wings. Would it be wise to continue down here and search to see if we've got anything of note? I went the wrong way. Of course I did. Well, actually I didn't, but... Let's see. Well, I did or I didn't. The question is, do we move straight down that way and adjust the wings, or do we go down there? Either way, I want to get another save together. I'm not sure which one to pick. Oh. Oh, I see you. Up there. That's not the way. But here's... Yeah, we can do that. Shit, what if it's... I'm gonna... Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Oh, there's got to be a way up there. I see that chest. That's what I want to get after. Only one broken window in the whole thing. It calls into question why the second fan worked, but... Yeah, it just wants to push me in... Ah, what the hell. I'm not going to do it over and over again. Whatever it is can stay there. I've got an idea, though, and it's not a good one. But we just saved, so... Oh, damn, I wanted that updraft. Alright, let's ease down. Ease down. Ease down. I wanted that. I can get to it, but let's orbit the area real quick. Could be a chest. I don't like missing things. Did not like missing that chest. Well, yeah, maybe we're supposed to be here if we're shooting taint. What's out here? Oh, I see. These are allowing the freeing up maneuvering thrusters, I would suspect. Or taint. What's that do? It's going to let us through. Through to where? This does not feel right, because everything that's glowing is over on this side. Oh, hell. Whew. Here's hoping for the divine wind. Oh, man. Oh, get there, please. Oh. You gotta be kidding me right now.
There are 2 terminals remaining.
Oh.
You're almost there.
Oh, thank you so much. This is so much fun, isn't it? We can't make that. No. We can't. No! Ah, I see. I'm looking at it in reverse. Do we? Yeah, because we have to get to the upper level. Yeah, we have to. Maybe we're supposed to do it that way. Maybe I'm glad I missed that that pad that lifts us up. Maybe we need that pad over there now. Alright. Hold on to your butts. Oh! Well, I can live with that. Oh, God. Alright, what now? Magnesis, probably. So, yes, another save. Alright, feel a little bit better. Oh. Heat's still on, though, boys. Thing is, we've already been around the way out there. There's nothing for us there with the bird tilted the way... Well, cross your fingers. Oh, nice. So the chests are kind of... Okay, they're kind of clues. As to what we need to do. Yeah. I think I'm sort of getting it. That's pathetic, but... I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, we're going up way too high. Up here. And, oh, we kind of missed an opportunity on that chest. It's supposed to be easy enough to swing down and collect. The thing is, I don't feel like doing it. What do we have here? Oh, one of you. Focus on the eyeball. Annoying little bastards. You're not dead? Alright, so what do we have here? Don't be too hasty. Now, if we tip this thing, and the chest scenario holds true, and we tip it, we can get the chest, and that will allow us to... Oh, yeah, glide. Okay. Alright. Take one quick look here. So, we do want to tip it. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Problem is, the chest is rising as well. There's got to be something to that. I think I know what as well. I think it's that lever over there. Might give us an updraft. Might open a window.
Just one terminal room.
What do you know? Where were you? Well, maybe not. Well, that's a bomb receptacle if I ever saw one. Okay, bombs. And we gotta, what, blow this up? I think I see what we need to do here. Just a minute. I thought I did. The bomb thing is not lost on me, but... Hell, the chest and the... Yeah, see, I thought this updraft would be a measure of success for this chest here. Apparently not. Alright, so what we need to do... Can't just drop a bomb like this. We gotta tip this thing down again. Yeah, it might be a minute before my idiot self figures all this out, guys. My apologies. Is that gonna do it? Roll on down there and detonate. And then we need another one. Oh man, there's something behind it too. We need another one though. Oh, please no. Of course it did. We need that open though. Bomb, please. There's something over here. Yep, there we go. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. Alright, now we got a magnesis ball, so what I want to do is save the game. Whoop. Whoop. And we want to rock this thing back. How far? What? All the way back. We do. So, redundancy is the name of the game here. Not the coolest thing in the world. Magnesis. This ball is going to roll back, and that's what we need to... Yeah. Catch you. Put you here. Easy. Easy does it. I need a better view. That's the best I'm going to get. Alright. Ease it down. Drop. I can live with that. And then turn off the wind so it doesn't get blown off course. I suppose I could use a bomb, but this seems like the better method. And that should... Oh, they conveniently put some bumpers in there. Yeah, nice. Little pinball help. The chest I didn't get still irked me. At least I showed them to you. I got a fair idea how to get them. I just already got an ancient core out of the deal. What else could there be? Oh, don't hump it, Link. Activate it.
That was the last terminal. Now you just need to start the main control unit.
Thanks, bro.
I want you to take a good look at your map. There should be a new glowing point on there. Well, flap to it.
Flap to it. How about fap to it? Top dead center. Why are we not surprised? That's going to be the boss. I just want to take a look around. And then, of course, I want to get a save together. Might have to work a little magic. I'm not pleased with not being able to get that chest there. It's made of metal, isn't it? Cross your fingers. Nah, we're not getting it like that. Let's go stasis because we got a boss coming up. And we're going to have to move in and deal with him. Question is, well, right here in the middle. Okay, we're gonna have to level it. Looks like we're just gonna skid on this thing until, yeah, well, we're close enough. Level it, and then our goal is right here. Let's get a save. If memory serves, the area we have to... maybe I'm... No, I'm not. I'm not. It was by happy coincidence that we screwed up and saw it. Went up too high. I apologized for it. I'm glad I did now because it's where we need to be. We got a boss battle coming up. We got for a bow. Falcon bow. I like the rapid reload. Always going to go with the bomb arrows whenever I can. We got 20 of them anyhow. Sword. That's not a sword. Nah. Got the Master Sword, baby. We're going to use it. And then... Oh. Well, yeah, that's actually what I wanted, but just not that menu. Armor. Near full on... Oh, we're going to be cold, though. Tell me I got some spicy meat and seafood fry in this piece. Cold resistance, yes. Excellent. Excellent. Make another one of those just fine. Keep us warm. Thank you very much. Alright, and that 820. Well, if we can't get it done in 820, then we just suck. So, whatever this may be. Every once in a while, Facebook does that to you. With a boost. Oh, never mind. They give you your information up all the time. What the... What? Whoa, that's... That looked like the BFG 9000 right there. Wind Blight Cannon. Scourge Divine Beast.
Good luck. That thing is one of Ganon's own, and it plays dirty. It defeated me 100 years ago, but only because I was winging it.
That's okay, I play dirty too.
I can't believe I'm actually saying this. But you must avenge me, Link.
We'll give it a shot. You're gonna fly around, so I'm going to my right.
Watch yourself.
His aim is dead on? Oh, I thought he said his name was dead on. I was about to say, I don't give a shit what his name is. He can't hurt us. Bomb in the face socket. Oh man, this dude's in trouble. You're in deep doo-doo, son. Why is my... Oh, is he draining my stamina with his attacks? I can live with that, though. If that's what's happening. What the... What are you... Oh, I see. Technical difficulties, boys. Just gonna bomb the crap out of him. And I'm not gonna stop, either. What? Cruise missiles? Shit.
Watch your blind spot.
I don't care what those are. Where is this guy? Damn it. Hasn't materialized. Don't care what those are. Oh, I broke my bow. Wonderful. If there was a time for it, now's the time. No. I don't even know what that is, but it's freaking me out. We can get him from here. Ah, we got knocked down. Might need some health. Not against the idea. Okay, I like that. He might come closer. So what we want to do is just get some standard food together. I don't think we'll need it. Not with our abilities. You're going to manifest right there. No? Manifest for Daddy? Why am I going down? This dude's easy. I'm just fumbling around with the whole thing. You can't hurt us, dude. Not even with that.
Keep your head in the game.
Say goodnight. Sorry about the graphics, guys. Nothing I can do. Got him, though. Yes, sir. I would like my bridge card back. I mean, how in the world am I going to buy $60 worth of chips and then a $40 bottle of vodka with cash without a bridge card? I don't have a bridge card, guys. To be honest with you, I don't much like paying for them either. Especially when 90% of the people get junk food with them. How many times have I been in a party store? Yes, we'll get that heart. But first, how many times have I been in a party store and seen somebody buy like a $60 bottle of Grey Goose vodka in cash at the same time they're buying $80 worth of junk food on a bridge card? I'm tired of that shit. Now I think people should have the right to eat. Need to rework that. Anyhow, yeah. Wrong time to talk about it. One more heart. One more divine beast down. Yeah, we missed 2 chests, but I did get a an ancient core. Yeah, I still do. And we did locate the chest and had a vague understanding how to get to them. I just wanted to get this one done all in one shot, as you know, this episode, to be honest with you, that's all.
Well, I'll be plucked. You defeated him, eh? Who would have thought?
Hey, Rivali. Seeing you in some memories.
Well done. I suppose I should thank you now that my spirit is free. This returns Meadow back to its rightful owner.
Va Meadow.
Don't preen yourself just for doing your job.
I'm
I
not.
suppose you've proven your value as a warrior.
I was talking about the
Warrior
CBT
worthy of
program.
my unique ability, the sacred skill that I have dubbed Rivali's Gale.
Ooh, Secret of the Ooze? Oh, nice. We can fly now? Okay, I think I see where this is going.
It's now time to move on and start making preparations for Meadow's strike on Ganon. But only if you think you'll still need my help while you're fighting inside Hyrule Castle.
I need all the help I can get, brother.
Feel free to thank me now.
Thank you, arrogant prick.
Or
Love you, though.
never mind, just go.
Takes one to know one.
Your job is far from finished, you know.
Well, I suppose I'll leave then. Awkward silence ensues.
The princess has been waiting an awfully long time.
Yeah, I'm sure she's... I was gonna say horny. I'll stick with horny. For a landing on, hopefully not what I think. No, 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 there's no way that's gonna hold you up. Oh, come on. Okay, who am I to argue? I don't agree, but They would have snapped like a twig. Especially with the blaster.
Meadow's sights are now set. You'll have a precise speed on Ganon from this vantage point. And when the time is right, give him everything you've got.
That's 3.
Now we wait for that perfect moment. Meadow, we've been artfully patient for the last 100 years. I doubt you'll suffer a feather over a few more moments.
Yeah, titanium feather. Unobtainium feather.
After all these years, I simply must admit the truth.
I do like this guy.
Even without the power of flight, Link made his way to this divine beast and accomplished something that even I could not. Guess I was wrong about how lucky he would be.
Luck? Well,
I hope that luck holds out, Link, for everyone's sake.
the more you leave things a chance, like I have done in this whole game, I mean, the more luck plays its role. So, I know that's not what he meant, but... Whew. 3rd Divine Beast down. The champion creates an updraft that carries activate by charging jump with X. I want to try it right now. Oh, and it deploys the shoot for you immediately. That is really kick-ass. I like that very much. What I'm going to do, guys, is... Yeah, I need to get down here. And I'm going to leave that for the next episode. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to recharge these powers. I'm going to burn them up and let them recharge. And then we'll start the next episode. But hey, I've been Mark Jackson. Another Divine Beast down. 1 to go. But, yet again, plenty of this game left.